Describe platform as service. Platform as service, or PaaS, is a middle ground between renting space in data center infrastructure as service and paying for complete and deployed solution software as service. In PaaS environment, the cloud provider maintains the physical infrastructure, physical security, and connection to the internet. They also maintain the operating system, middleware, development tools, and business intelligence services that make up a cloud solution. In PaaS scenario, you don't have to worry about the licensing or batching or operating system and databases. PaaS is well suited to provide a complete development environment without the headache of maintaining all the development infrastructure. So let's have a look on the shared responsibility model. The shared responsibility model applies to all the cloud service types. PaaS splits the responsibility between you and the cloud provider. The cloud provider is responsible for maintaining the physical infrastructure and its access to the internet, just like in IaaS. In the PaaS model, the cloud provider will also maintain the operating system, databases, and development tools. Think of PaaS like using domain-joined machine. IT maintains the device with regular updates, patches, and refreshes. Depending on the configuration, you or the cloud provider may be responsible for networking settings and connectivity within your cloud environment, network and application security, and directory infrastructure. So here, let's have a look. You can see that the PaaS here, we are in the customer. We are responsible for information and data, devices, mobile PCs, and accounts and identities, as you can see in the table of PaaS. But for the identity directory infrastructure, as you can see, it is shared between Microsoft, the cloud provider, and customer. The same as applications, the same as network controls. But the operating systems, here you can see that Microsoft is responsible for it, the physical host, physical network, physical data center. Unlike the IaaS here, you can see that the operating system is the customer's responsibility. But in PaaS, no. The operating system is Microsoft's responsibility. So let's have some scenario. So some common scenario where PaaS might make sense include development framework. PaaS provides a framework that developers can build upon to develop our custom or customize cloud-based applications. Similar to the way you create Excel macro, PaaS lets developers create applications using built-in software components. Cloud features such as scalability, high availability, and multi-tenant capability are included, reducing the amount of coding that developers must do. Analytics or business intelligence tools provides as service with PaaS allow organizations to analyze and mine their data, finding insights and patterns, and predicting outcome to improve forecasting, product design decision, investment returns, and other business decisions. Thanks for watching.